My name is Heather Rurka. This is probably the 4th year that we've entered the Big Seed Contest. We look forward to it every spring. They send out invitations throughout the whole county of Jackson to young and old, it doesn't matter your age. We also look forward to getting the free plants for our garden that they pass out every year. It gives the kids and I, and my husband, something to do. This is our 2nd year in a row that we've won 2nd place, and we're so excited to be part of this community and actually be doing something that is purposeful and self-sustaining, really, growing our own food. So we love it.
Rurka family.
Woo! Come on out! Me, what did you feed that plant? I said, back guano and worm casing.
Yeah.
Gardening is a lot of hard work, so when I teach my children to get their hands down in the dirt and grow their own food, and they actually start eating things that come off their plants that they grew, it gives them meaning, really, it truly does. And we pass them out to the community. We love sharing all the produce that we get from the plants here, and we just think it's something awesome for Jackson County.